Historic landmark designations apply to individual buildings, structures, sites, areas, or objects which are studied by the Commission and judged to have historical value. Designation is an honor, meaning that the community believes that the property deserves recognition and protection. Historic landmark designation is a process which usually begins when a local historic landmark commission identifies a property as a potential landmark.
All those in favor? Opposed? Motion carries.
Listen as Dr. Dan Morrill, Director of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Historic Landmarks Commission, answers a few frequently asked questions about the process of historic landmark designation.
What would be the first step for a property owner to take towards designation of their property?
Well, the first thing a property owner has to do is to fill out a potential historic landmark form. Then the commission will take that form to the survey committee, and the survey committee will make a recommendation to the Historic Landmarks Commission that be put or not be put on the study list of prospective historic landmarks. Putting something on the study list means that we believe that there is a great likelihood that it will qualify, and that a complete and more full study called a survey and research report has to be done. Well, it's important to understand that if the commission basically determines that a property is of significance, the law does not require owner consent for designation. However, as a matter of practice, before that property would be considered for placement on the study list, we would contact the owner, solicit the owner's written attitude about the prospect of designation, and bring that to the attention of the survey committee and of the Landmarks Commission in determining whether or not that property should be processed for historic landmark designation.
What types of specifications or distinct features would a property have to have in order for it to be considered as a property that's historically significant?
The property has to have its physical integrity in order to have special significance. That doesn't mean that change has not occurred since it was built. It has to have its essential integrity, or what are called its defining characteristics. Those have to be intact. Also, it might have special significance because of its associative history. Has the building played or the property played a particularly important part in the economic, the social, the political, the cultural history of the community?
If you own a home or building that you believe would qualify for historic landmark designation, please visit our website at cmhpf.org and click on the Applications tab on the far left-hand side. Once you reach the application forms page, scroll all the way to the bottom to number 3 to view the application instructions, along with the application form itself. There are several consequences of landmark designation. 1. The owner of the landmark may apply for an automatic deferral of 50% of the ad valorem taxes. 2. A plaque will be issued by the Historic Landmarks Commission to display on the landmark. And 3. The property will be subject to design review for any substantive changes proposing to be made to the structure. For more information regarding the design review process, please visit the video index and click on Design Review Process Video. If you have questions on the process of landmark designation that were not addressed in this video, please contact our offices at 704-376-9115.